Wait, what if I told you that most people are actually using AI completely wrong? Seriously. Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're skipping the fluff and getting right into a massive breakthrough in how power users are actually architecting their own personal, self-improving AI brains. So ask yourself this: what if your AI never forgot? Just imagine, for a second, a private expert assistant running right now that remembers every single PDF, every hour of video, and every random meeting note you have ever processed. It sounds completely like science fiction, right? Well, the tech is actually already here.
But to really understand why this matters to your everyday workflow, we've got to look at the massive problem with AI today. See, modern AI is incredibly smart. It can answer almost any general question you throw at it, but it suffers from daily amnesia. You ask a standard chatbot about your business, your specific research project, or your internal company workflow, and it just draws a total blank. It doesn't actually know your internal data. Every single conversation basically starts from scratch. I mean, imagine hiring the smartest employee in the world, but every single morning they forget absolutely everything about your company. The stakes here are huge because this amnesia is literally costing you countless hours of redundant work.
So, how do we actually solve this? Well, the answer is the AI brainstock. Real power users are completely bypassing those standard generic chatbots right now. Instead, they're building their own self-improving personal AI brains using a very specific three-tool stock that we're going to break down today. All right, here's a rapid-fire overview of how this stack actually works, broken down by the tool, its function, and its unique superpower. First up, we've got NotebookLM, acting as the memory layer. Second, we have Gemini, serving as the reasoning engine. And third, Hermes, which provides private execution. Each of these tools plays a totally distinct role in solving that massive AI amnesia problem we just talked about. Okay, let's dive into this first crucial component, NotebookLM, the memory layer. So NotebookLM acts as a source-grounded knowledge base. And this is absolutely vital to understand, because unlike a typical generic chatbot that pulls its answers from vast, mysterious training data out on the web, NotebookLM focuses primarily on the documents you provide. It grounds its knowledge in your specific world. So this means when you ask it questions, it doesn't hallucinate. It points back directly to specific sources from the PDFs, the research papers, and the business documents you've actually fed it. To give you an idea of the scale we're talking about here, just imagine the number 100. For researchers, students, or founders, this is massive. You can upload 100 dense research papers or business reports into this memory layer. And instead of manually reading thousands of pages, which, let's face it, nobody has time for, you can instantly ask the system to pull the common conclusions across all of those studies. It just instantly summarizes that precise information for you. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the incredible audio overview feature. Think about a 300-page technical manual. Most of us would absolutely dread reading that. But NotebookLM can take that exact 300-page document and instantly transform all of that complex information into a dynamic podcast-style conversation between two AI hosts. You can literally be listening to your company's deepest technical documentation while you're just driving to work. It's crazy. However, there is a catch. NotebookLM has excellent memory, but it's not an autonomous agent. It is incredible at organizing and grounding your knowledge, for sure, but it's not a worker. It's essentially a massive filing cabinet with perfect recall. So to actually do something with that knowledge, we need to introduce the second layer. Which brings us to Gemini, the reasoning engine of your AI brain. If NotebookLM is the memory, Gemini is the brain's reasoning center. Modern Gemini models can handle an absolutely enormous, multimodal variety of data all at once. We're talking text, images, audio, video, code, and documents. You can upload a product roadmap, customer interviews, sales reports, and even competitor screenshots all together at the same time. Most other AI systems would instantly break down trying to juggle this combination, but Gemini handles it flawlessly. To really illustrate the power of this reasoning, imagine feeding Gemini hours and hours of your YouTube content, like the actual video and audio, and asking it this specific question: what topics generate the highest audience retention? Or imagine uploading an entire software repository and asking it to find architectural weaknesses. Gemini acts like a high-level strategist. It finds the deep relationships and hidden patterns across massive amounts of data that a human analyst would honestly probably never notice. Let's just pause for a second and look at how these two tools compare. NotebookLM organizes your knowledge. It keeps everything neat, perfectly sourced, and accessible. Gemini synthesizes that knowledge. It connects the dots, thinks strategically, and draws conclusions. But if you stop right here, you are still missing the final and honestly most important piece of the puzzle. You still don't have something that is entirely yours and entirely private. And that brings us to the final piece, Hermes, the private AI worker. This is where AI becomes truly personal, completely customizable, and something you actually own. So the crucial point is that it runs locally on your hardware. Using tools like Ollama or LM Studio, Hermes doesn't live out in the cloud somewhere. It lives on your actual computer. This is a massive game changer for privacy. Your proprietary data, your legal documents, your code, none of it ever leaves your machine. And because of this absolute privacy, professionals can build hyper-specialized expert personas trained on their exact workflows. Lawyers can safely build a legal assistant, doctors can create a secure medical assistant, developers can generate a coding expert trained on their own private codebase, and creators can build a content strategist trained perfectly on years of their unique writing style. You are no longer using a generic AI, you're using an AI that speaks your domain's exact language and knows your personal goals. Now, let's tie this all together into actual execution, the self-improving AI brain workflow. Here is the exact step-by-step concrete workflow that completely changes how you operate. Step 1, collect your information. Research papers, videos, transcripts, literally everything. Step 2, upload all of that into NotebookLM to organize it, create summaries, and extract reliable sourced insights. Step 3, send that structured knowledge over to Gemini. Have it identify the complex patterns and generate training examples. And finally, Step 4, use that newly synthesized knowledge to customize and fine-tune your local Hermes model. And what happens when you do this? The system keeps getting smarter. This isn't just a one-and-done process. Every single time you gather more information in your career, this cycle repeats. Your private AI worker becomes progressively more specialized and exponentially more valuable to your daily work. And this brilliantly illustrates the core synergy of these three tools working in perfect harmony. NotebookLM remembers, Gemini thinks, and Hermes acts. The future doesn't belong to people who just use a single chatbot to answer generic questions. The winners in the coming years will be the people who architect complete AI systems that combine memory, reasoning, and execution. We are truly just at the beginning of what these personalized systems can achieve. So I want to leave you with one final question. If you could build your own AI brain, what specific tasks would you train it to do? Drop down into the comments below and let me know your ideas. I really want to see how you'd put this stack to work in your own industry. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, keep building, and I will see you in the next one.